story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A rare model. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. You are going to love the 2018 Clarity. The future is now with the Honda Clarity sedan. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, floor mats, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.